Hello and welcome everyone. From the very beginning, we've been committed to building a solid foundation for Multiversx, our ecosystem, and most importantly, our community. As time passes, some things might change, but one thing remains absolutely clear. We're here to stay, stretching the limits of what is possible with blockchain technology. You might recall the vision we painted at X-Day Paris, a vision not merely ambitious, but daring. Today, we're excited to share an update of that vision with you. We're not just going to talk about progress, we're going to show it to you. We're going to reveal the strides we're taking to accelerate growth and scale like never before. We're going to light up the road ahead, spotlight new products and important milestones, and unveil a series of significant, targeted, international marketing and business efforts that mark the beginning of the next growth phase for Multiversx. As we journey through this together, remember the trials and triumphs we faced, the insights we've accumulated, the lessons we've learned, and the relentless efforts we've put in together. No matter where you are and how steep the mountain may seem, never forget, great things are not just possible, they are about to happen. Let's dive right in. Today's update answers the big question: what's next for Multiversx? And this update will be structured as follows. Section 1 will focus on setting the context. Blockchain, AI, and the metaverse are the creative forces that will shape the next decades. The Multiversx blockchain is positioned at the intersection of this to play a critical role on the global stage. Section 2 will focus on Multiversx protocol strategy, product strategy, and the next exciting milestones. Milestones such as on-chain governance, sovereign shards, staking phase 4, performance improvements, zero-knowledge proofs, zero-knowledge rollups that are all coming to Multiversx to create an unbeatable position. This we call the Multiversx end state. Section 3 will focus on e-gold, a digital currency positioned for global adoption. This is the heart of the Multiversx blockchain, a simple and powerful metaphor with robust digital reserve standards, built-in scarcity, sustainable growth models, and strong properties for a superior digital money. Section 4 will focus on the Multiversx growth strategy. This will bring the ecosystem growth initiatives, international business development focus, global marketing battle plan, and global outreach tour. Beyond this, we'll have the X-Day 2023. All these efforts are meant to supercharge awareness, activation, conversion, and growth. Section 5 will focus on the Multiversx ecosystem. With the global startups we have, the verticals we're focusing on, the products the startups bring, and the next big milestones that they have. This is all ramping up ecosystem ignition. Section 6 will focus on the conclusion, putting all puzzle pieces together to unlock the next important growth phase for Multiversx. Let's begin. Let's dive into the first subject. Blockchains are a new type of computer, introducing a set of powerful new primitives such as provable transparency, strong cryptographic guarantees, and deterministic programmable contracts. Multiversx is an open-source, decentralized blockchain network designed for true internet-scale performance. Multiversx is live and capable of processing over 100,000 transactions per second at a negligible cost, being fully carbon negative with a built-in ability to scale even further as demand grows. These exact capabilities pave the way not only for better services, but a whole new range of applications. Now, the recent rise in artificial intelligence via large language models is unlocking, as we speak, a set of unforeseen opportunities, productivity enhancements, and economic and automation benefits. On the other hand, AI is raising a set of serious challenges via deepfakes and fake news that are becoming evident and more present every passing day, whether it's in social media, politics, or news. Given the increasingly simple and powerful creation and editing tools that are becoming widely available with the advent of AI, we cannot stop wondering, what will humanity consider real? What will we consider true? What will we consider authentic? Moreover, will metaverse tools exacerbate this crisis further, or will it help solve it? Perhaps the best question to ask is, what world do we want to live in? To address these challenges, a necessity for secure, provable, unforgeable set of tools to ground historic authenticity, digital integrity, and provide deepfake countermeasures becomes imperative. Thus, blockchains are not just a new type of computer with special applications in the financial space, but will have to become truth machines to help humanity avert this reality crisis that we're facing. Thus, blockchains are not only a computer with special applications in the financial space, but will have to become truth machines to help humanity avert the reality crisis we are facing. Given the properties mentioned above, Multiversx is in a unique position to address these new challenges. So, how will we do it? Let's take a look at the broader solution we have built for years now. This next chapter we call Foundations Before Growth. Perhaps a simple and useful metaphor to think about the growth of the Multiversx blockchain is to view it as an ever-expanding technology tree of services, applications, utility, and value. As with every tree, its roots and trunk are what determine the limits and possibilities for eventual growth. It's why we've spent a significant amount of effort on building the most robust set of roots and trunk possible. The protocol, the virtual machine, the processing performance, the scalability, the negligible cost, the negative carbon footprint are all positioning this particular tree for a unique growth trajectory. Going one step further, thanks to being open source, once a certain tooling effectiveness is present, this particular tree is especially conducive to growth by being composable, interoperable, and fit for rapid experimentation and iteration cycles. In fact, it is especially this latter set of properties that provides a distinctly useful lever for global and hyper-connected communities of developers and creators and builders. When viewed as a whole, this tree becomes a surprisingly adaptive growth machine. The core protocol and virtual machine represent the core of the Multiversx blockchain computer and make the metaphorical roots and trunk of the technology tree. There are 6 new mainnet upgrades planned for the next months, each bringing new significant improvements, among them being the Alter release with guarded accounts and on-chain 2FA, which is now live, the Proxima Centauri release with sovereign shards alpha, the Sirius release with virtual machine 1.5 multi-key node feature, protocol governance, and DNS 2.0, among the several new features that are coming. The Vega release will come with staking phase 4. The Andromeda release will bring into production a major consensus improvement initially presented with Proxima Centauri. Supernova will bring forth zero-knowledge technologies with zero-knowledge proofs and zero-knowledge rollups in the different layers of the Multiversx technology. Beyond the mainnet releases, there's also a focus on foundational standard, open source modules, and ecosystem products. This provides a minimal necessary Lego set and building blocks and open source templates to jumpstart the building process, utility, and economic flywheel for the Multiversx ecosystem. Some of these modules include the API module, which is a set of Multiversx APIs enabling simple and streamlined interaction with the blockchain and its microservices. The tooling module, which is a set of Multiversx builder tools that enables specialized interaction with the smart contracts, the framework, the various SDKs, and DevNet environment of the Multiversx blockchain. The Explorer module is an application interface that enables global, granular, and systemic overview of the Multiversx network, operations, network health, blockchain transactions, and programs executed. The web wallet and extension modules are applications interfaces and Multiversx non-custodial wallets that enable secure interaction with all Multiversx blockchain user accounts, tokens, NFTs, SFTs, and smart contracts. Bridge module. This is an application interface built on Multiversx to enable cross-chain liquidity transfers, cross-chain interoperability, and cross-chain interaction. Xspotlight is an application interface, NFT explorer, and aggregator built on Multiversx to enable simple interaction around exploring, collecting, creating, and sharing NFTs with the world. The X-Exchange module is a decentralized exchange and automated market maker built on Multiversx to enable swaps of digital assets instantly, globally, and inexpensively. The X Launchpad module is a web application interface that enables the most ambitious teams and impactful technologies to be funded and backed by the Multiversx community. Beyond this, we have a section of mass market products. With this, we are building 5 products that take the best of what Multiversx blockchain can do, like token economies, NFTs, peer-to-peer value exchange, direct monetization tools, provable authentication, smart contracts, and makes them accessible through an AI prompt, a wizard, an API, a web app, a mobile app, or a metaverse experience. Some of these products are Xportal, which you might already know. The Xportal is the portal to the multiverse, offering a new suite of native digital finance, social, and entertainment modules. The Xportal is a mobile super app offering a non-custodial crypto and fiat wallet, combining the highest level of security, beautiful and intuitive user experience, a debit card, swaps, chat, and social interactions, and AI avatars. Complementary to all that, there's an app store showcasing a great and expanding collection of Multiversx applications. More than 1 million users are already using the Xportal app. The second app is Xfabric. Xfabric is a Web3 operating system, a simple and powerful no-code interface for creating, monetizing, and sharing in Web3. The third product is X-Worlds. X-Worlds is a world builder tool and a network of interoperable and composable virtual worlds, forming the multiverse. X-Money is a native digital payment network, offering a set of money modules and services accessible via an API or a very simple wizard. X AI tools, which is a code name, are a set of defensive and offensive blockchain and artificial intelligence tools using the Multiversx technology and breakthroughs in large language models to enable a productive usage of AI technology for society. This set of tools will not be a standalone product. Rather, it will be rolled out and gradually integrated into all the other 4 products above. There are many other fascinating use cases for blockchain where Multiversx can shine. Some of these use cases are already in development and built by our community and partners. These include private digital identity, unforgeable digital property, digital money, autonomous finance, digital autonomous organizations, metaverse worlds, and network states. An extraordinary amount of effort is being put by many teams around the world to build the protocol and different product modules that can sustain global adoption and reach mass market. All the technical details, specific dates, and initiatives are being shared with the official document that will be published immediately after this conversation. eGold is the native token of the Multiversx network, securing the network through 3,200 geographically distributed validator nodes. More than 64% of the supply, representing more than $500 million, is currently staked and delegated by more than 130,000 users. These are some remarkable numbers. All applications and usage within the Multiversx ecosystem will bring a direct or indirect utility and value to the eGold token and the Multiversx network. A share of the eGold token provides skin in the game and direct exposure to the evolution and expansion of the Multiversx network and ecosystem. Here are a few of the most important properties we've thought about. The eGold currency is designed for simplicity and global adoption. Complexity is the largest obstacle in the world for adoption. Just try explaining Bitcoin or Ethereum to normal people and you'll immediately see what I mean. In order to reach the next billion people, we've completely rethought the native Multiversx currency, capturing its essence into a universally appealing and powerful metaphor. We've had books and then we've had ebooks. We've had mail and then we had email. We've had gold and now we have eGold. Second, the eGold currency is a digital reserve standard and robust store of value. eGold is designed to be the native network token, fundamental to all Multiversx usage. The economics design is the basis for creating a robust store of value similar to that of gold, but with mechanics and functionality that go well beyond of those from gold. Embedded in this design is the premise that Multiversx is compatible with both local government currencies